So ayan guys, so good morning, magandang umaga sa atin lahat. Alright, so mapagpalang araw sa atin lahat for today's video guys. So araw na linggo ngayon. Alright, so andito tayo guys sa Quezon City Square Circle para alam niyo na. So magpapawis ulit tayo. Ayan, so ngayon guys, so kasama ko yung aking binibini, yung aking anak. So nag-ano siya na sasama raw siya. Natin so tuturuan lang natin siya guys ng ano, mga basic lang yung kasama anak. Uy. Ayan guys, kasama natin yung anak ko. So exercise yan para paano may matutunan sila. Alright, so basic talaga. Kala mo may matutunan, kala mo may alam din ako. So yun guys, so turo ko ngayon yung anak ko sa yung mga basic exercise lang guys. Kasi first G niya pa lang ngayon, sumama sa akin. So tuturuan natin siya mga basic lang guys para kahit paano maminat ang kanyang mga gat-ugat at buto-buto sa kanyang mga kasuksuan. Alright. So ayan guys. Ano? Kaya rin. Okay, good. Yan. So, tuturuan ko na siya guys mamaya. So, alright, let's go. Peace out. Hey guys, so kasama ko yan ako. Ayan. So, kakataas lang namin magpapawis. Jogging, mag-ingot. Ayan. So, guys, all those dito. So, ano? Tayo kasi nabigyan pa tayo guys, hindi pa lumalabas yung ating dapat ilabas. So tara, ayan. So yan guys, so nagpahinga muna kami ng anak ko dahil napagod siya sa kakatakbo. Nagreklamo na guys, ayun na raw. So pahinga muna kami guys, ayan o. So ayan, lakad-lakad muna kami. Alright. Yun o. Hindi na makausap guys, pagod na raw siya. So ayan guys, so tara guys, tatakbo na ulit tayo. So mga 1 rounds muna tayo, then pahinga, then alam na, pauwi na tayo. Okay, so nagreklamo na kasi yung anak ko dahil pagod na raw siya. Alright, so tara, let's go guys.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Your at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with.
Okay, so hanggang dito ang video to. So see you sa mga next vlog natin. Alright, so first day niya kasi sumama sa akin. So every Sunday kasi guys, nandito ako sa may Quezon City Circle. So dito ako nag-jogging, nag-warm up. So siyempre, kailangan natin yun. Kahit paano, bawas-bawas tayo sa stress sa buhay. So kailangan natin magpapawis. Ayan. So dadaan lang natin sa papawis guys para all goods. Ayan. So ayan guys. So, alright. Yun, no? So say bye-bye na sa mga viewers natin.
Bye-bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, mayayain kasi ito eh. Alright guys, see you sa mga next vlog natin. Alright, peace out. Brut brut.